Hey guys, what's up? And welcome back to a Halloween special vlog. Wow. So there are workers in the next room, so there is going to be a lot of noise, but I'm gonna try and not talk much during this video. I need to film something for Halloween, which is day after tomorrow. Something I need to film today. And I need to do something on this wall as a background for Halloween, like some decorations. So that is what is going to happen in today's vlog. I want to figure out a good background for my video, and then I'm going to film a look for Halloween. And also I'm going to try and get back to my routine. So I just made me my favorite breakfast, which is pancakes and egg. That's what it looks. Oh my god, it looks so good. Wow. Also, this room, this color, this light yellowish color of the room is going to change soon. We're going to paint the room in a couple of days, not today, but yeah. So I can't do anything on this wall because they're going to chip it off and paint it over. So yeah, that's something. I can stick whatever I want on that. I'm just going to enjoy my breakfast, and it's really hot, so I'm going to switch on the fan. Folded it like that after attaching them, and also drew a vatish shape like that. Now I'm gonna try and cut it out. It's really thick, so it's going to be hard for me to cut, but we'll see. the next day morning and I'm doing my nails right now. this is what they look like as of now. I'm just trying to do an ombre and then stamp on some designs, some spooky designs maybe, because it's Halloween. Halloween is tomorrow, and so I will have to take it off after that. So I'm doing it only on one hand. Yeah, that's what is happening. I still need to clean up, but this is Halloween nails. Happy Halloween! This is my Halloween look. I did a skull for the first time actually ever. I put on lenses and I drew the skull on my face. My first ever proper Halloween look, I would say. And this is how it looks. And I'm just trying to film some reels. So I did the look and I'm just going to take it off. I feel kind of bad, but yeah, let's do this. Oh my god, I feel bad. Okay. Oh my god, okay. Okay. It's okay. Okay. I do have lenses on. I'll take it off now. Wow, the difference. Hello there. I want to take off my lenses. Oh. Okay, my eyes went through something today. Okay, this way. I used to be really bad at wearing and taking off lenses. I would cry for the whole day and still won't be able to do it properly. But now I'm able to do it much better. So yeah, that's a good thing. This is just come up with my natural eye. Yeah. I'm thankful for this thing. Oh my god. It's a Hey guys, it's the next day and I wanted to just come on here and end the vlog because I did not end the vlog yesterday. I just filmed a few reels and I took off the makeup and I had to rest because I was just feeling a little, like a lot was going on all through this month. So yeah, I just wanted to relax and now November is here. Wow, like 2021 just flew by and we didn't realize, right? So yeah, I hope you're enjoying the videos. If you are, please do comment and let me know. And yes, thank you so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy the vlog, give this video a big thumbs up. And also please do subscribe to my channel because that makes a lot of difference, guys. So yeah, please do subscribe. And a lot more vlogs and videos are coming up, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching once again. I love you all. Bye. Bye.